Moving on, the world's largest technology companies are increasingly turning to overseas bond markets to fund their massive AI ambitions. From Europe and Japan to Switzerland, companies such as Alphabet and Amazon are raising record amounts of debt outside the United States. The trend is helping smaller corporate bond markets gain prominence in the $40 trillion global debt market. Amazon recently raised a record 14.5 billion euros through the largest ever euro-denominated corporate bond sale, while Alphabet set borrowing records in yen, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc and sterling bond markets. Bankers say the shift is being driven by a combination of funding diversification, lower borrowing costs and currency management. By issuing debt in foreign currencies, companies can better match funding with their global assets while reducing dependence on the US bond market. The impact is already visible. Borrowing by non-financial US companies in Europe has crossed 60 billion euros this year, an all-time high. Morgan Stanley estimates hyperscalers could raise around 50 billion euros in euro-denominated debt alone this year, potentially helping the United States overtake France as the largest source of corporate bond issuance in the Eurozone. The borrowing wave is also changing the composition of international bond markets. According to Bank of America, non-dollar issuance by hyperscalers has doubled and now accounts for around 30% of their total bond funding this year. For investors, these bond sales provide rare exposure to the fast-growing AI and technology sector in markets where tech issuers have historically been limited. However, analysts caution that as tech companies become larger components of global bond indices, debt markets outside the US will become increasingly sensitive to developments in the AI sector. While the AI boom is creating new opportunities for investors and issuers alike, any slowdown or disappointment could also bring greater volatility to international bond markets.